and welcome to Colorful Threads Embroidery. I am Juliet, and we are getting a little tour of the Melco home office today. So it is in Westminster, Colorado. We are just stopping by the home office and saying hi to a few of the people that I always message with and putting a face to the name. And so come along, enjoy the ride.
We were here. There was
museum?
just a lot more stuff in here.
Yeah, the museum, and then Nate printed out that big giant mural on one of the printers. I'm not sure which one.
Yeah, that was way before my time. That's when I got in, was the EMT10.
Yeah, that's a little bit out. I came in still at the EMC time, the very end, the switch between EMC to one of those. Perfect timing, because I just threaded those all back up too. They were all jacked up and everything, I think.
Well, that happens.
And then Nate is getting rid.
Yes, so this is the EMT10 machine, and this is the machine that I started on in 2000. 10 needle machine with tension knobs. Then upgraded to I skipped the Amaya version, and then I went to the XT, and then I skipped the XTS, and I went to the EMT, and then I skipped the Plus, and now I'm at the Summit. So I kind of do like every other model machine. So.
Being loud.
Hi, Nate.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? It was good to see you.
In the way.
Hi. Good to see you. So this is Nate. You see him in all of the Melco videos. We're just stopping by and doing a little tour for my YouTube channel.
Cool.
So
Have all the fun.
yeah. So getting to see everybody and say hi.
Excellent.
You know, you are famous. You know. Everybody I talk to and everybody I go and train with, they're always like, yeah, Nate. You have the hair swoosh. You are famous for the hair swoosh, just so you know.
That's funny. That's really funny.
But yeah, everybody, watches all your videos, and then when they can't understand your, monotone, they come to me.
Fair enough. Absolutely fair enough.
But that's okay.
Cool.
We're glad to have you. The videos are great.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Have all the fun. Less than anything.
Yeah, will do. Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Welcome to the demo room. So I believe this is where they make a bunch of videos, but this is the demo room with all of the models of machines that are out right now. Let's see, well, the Bravo's not here. So, no, that is the Bravo. Yeah, it's over there. So they got the Bravo machine in here. It looks like 2 EMT16Xs are in here. And the fabulous Summit is in here. They have the Fast Clamp Pro on it at the moment. And all the amazing things. Heat presses. Ooh, that's a bigger Epson. I got that. Which one did we have? The 2100?
2100,
No.
yeah, this is the,
No, this is sublimation.
yeah, that's
This
the
is
die
sublimation.
sub, yep.
Different than the one we have, which is.
Yours is the DTG.
Yes. Yeah. Awesome.
So I got it all. X's, Bravo, Summit.
Summit. Love the Summit.
Yeah, I'm getting used to it.
I am so in love with the Summit because it's so user friendly now.
Yeah.
It's like new machine user friendly.
That's pretty good. I like it.
I've become a sloppy hooper because of the laser alignment.
Oh, yes,
Right?
yeah.
And being able to like barcode scan the hoop before I put it in the machine, so I'm not like stressing over which
Right,
hoop I
hoop
have
on.
properly in there.
Yeah, it's got some really cool functions.
I am loving it.
And then if you want to see the tech training room,
Any-
you can roll through.
So we're gonna go. So one of the things that you can do is when you want to sign up and become certified, as a technician. Chris is gonna be your instructor.
Or you can do a 5-day too, which is for owner-operators that wanna learn how to mild troubleshoot and service their own machines.
Yeah, that's great. Oh, it's the same room as like it's always been.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is great. So, if you want to become a technician, it's a 2-week program. You spend 2 weeks with Chris and get certified. Or you can do the 5-day program like he was just saying, where you can be the owner operator and troubleshoot and get to the point where you can do most things that don't require a certified technician.
And if you do the 10-day, we go all the way back to, there's our legacy machines.
Oh, yes, the E16, the XT,
Red and white, XT, XTS.
red and white.
Yep, the original.
Yeah,
one.
the cover's just off.
I see
Yeah.
it square. I was going by the
That-
cover
I had to scrounge parts.
to replace the cover. Yes, the Maya XT and XTS. Yeah,
Yep.
they are.
And then-
I wasn't even looking at the.
Then we've got
At the
an
throat.
S95 right there. And I have got 2 Summits and 2 X's back in my room that are for the stations for the tech training.
That's great.
So we try to get everything covered.
That's great. So how often are you booking classes
Try to do once a quarter for the 10-day.
for the 10-day?
Yeah.
But for the clients who.
For the 5-day, I kinda just do those as needed on demand. I've got a Bernino one next week, and then 2 weeks after that, I've got an enterprise customer coming in. So,
Oh, okay.
yeah. So after that, then we'll get going back again in classes.
Awesome. So, if you want to be able to troubleshoot and work on your machine, sign up in secrets.
That's about it. This is Juliet, she's our contractor out of Florida.
Oh, nice.
Florida. Hi, hi.
Hey,
Hi.
nice to meet you guys.
So is that kinda what you want?
Yes.
Like that?
Yeah.
So she has a YouTube channel.
Oh, nice. Oh,
So,
that's pretty cool. Yeah.
so that she came in
Ready?
and just get a little,
Nice, cool video.
show the building a little bit, and all that stuff.
Okay, guys. So, if you're interested in getting a machine, I'm gonna have a link to my sales rep, who is Gerald, and he is gonna be linked below, so you'll be able to contact him if you're interested in a machine. They have Summits sitting here, ready to ship. Get yours now.